cute. It is really cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, as you can tell already from the title, I'm going to be transforming my room within the next 48 hours, really next 2 days, because that's the only time I have to actually do it. And if you can tell from the background here, the wall decor that was on there on the wall actually fell off and broke. That even gingered me more to want to change and just, you know, tweak some things, some little things. My room is just a place where I just want to come back after work and just relax and chill after a very hectic and emotionally draining day from work. So I just really like to make sure my space makes me feel a bit inspired and makes me feel at peace. I do almost everything in my room, and like my room has been like this for the past year now or more. Yeah, it's been more than a year my room has been like this. So I'm like, let me just change some few things. I'm going to be adding a bit of browns, nude, a bit more fall inspired, and I want to take you guys through this process with me because I just want to hit you guys with the change like all of a sudden in one of my vlogs without even preparing you guys. You get what I mean? Yeah, so we're going to be doing that today. Right now we're going to go to 2 different stores. We're going to go to Home Depot and we're going to go to Home Sense. I want to get my side table lamp. The side table lamp I saw online and they have some in store, so I want to go and see it in person and see if it's going to match with the whole aesthetic I'm going for. And I'm also going to get like command strips for the wall decor because I can't like put in holes on this wall because it's a rented apartment and I'm not allowed to do that. And I'm also going to try and see if I can get really nice pillows because my pillow I got my pillows from Walmart. They are really flat, so I want to see if I can get really good ones. And if I don't find anyone, I might as well just change it later on. Maybe buy one from Amazon in the future or something. So yeah, that's the plan. So let's head out. I just have to like pack my bag and make sure I pack everything I need. Phone in here and lip gloss. This is from Q Cosmetics, by the way, my friend's brand. So please patronize. It's what I'm wearing today. Q. I love it. $49. So I really love the aesthetics of this, but the thing is that it doesn't come with light bulbs, so I'll have to buy that separately. I'm thinking I'll get the white lights because I don't like yellow lights. So strip, and I also got the black paint as well. I got these light bulbs, these 2, but I'm not sure of the one to go for, so I'm very indecisive. But I think I'll just take both of them home, try them out and see the one I want, and I'll just return the other one basically because I can always return it if I don't like it. I'm back home now and I got some things from Home Sense. I didn't find the pillows I wanted to get, unfortunately. The only pillows I saw, there were all those decor pillows. There's one that was white, but it was just too abnormally looking. I don't know, those pillows are like throw pillows, but the large ones I think you guys already saw. So I got like 2 candles from Home Sense. Let me show you guys. This one, they're like decorative candles. I don't think I'm even going to ever light it. I really like it because of the brown cover, and it smells amazing too. It's a 2-wick candle. This one kind of reminds me of the Zara candles. I'm going to definitely return one between both of them, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to return yet. This one was kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie. For a candle, it's like $34, which is expensive. When I saw it and I saw the price, I'm like, girl, you about to spend $35 on candle? I'm like, let me just get it and see if it works for me. They said I have like 10 days to return it, so that's really good. So yeah, that's all we got from Home Sense. I have lots of things to do today. Today is the final day, so I have to do every single thing today. So I think what we'll do is we'll start from top to bottom, but the first thing I will do is to do some little touches on the dresser, then fix the handle, then I'll build the side table, then afterwards we'll start from top to bottom. So we'll start to change the curtains, then the wall decor, before we now go to the bottom. Okay, so it can be a bit organized anyways. So yeah, let's get started. It didn't take time at all because there was just not much to do. Spray paint dries very fast. That's why I like it, because within like a few minutes it's already dry. So we're going to build the side table now. I just hope it's not going to take me time to do that. Oh my god. Hey! This is a correct building, oh. I just hope it's not going to take me time to do that. Oh my god. I didn't plan to do all of this. Ooh, finally. I just finished with the dresser right now, and that took me like almost 3 hours. So right now I'm going to just change the curtain and we'll change the wall decor.
Starting on a new page feels better every time. Flip as simple as waking up next to you. These thoughts I'll escape them. I got you, turn and shoot. Shouldn't be more than a year or two. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood, or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving. Is it bad that...
So we're gonna use the command strips I got yesterday. We're gonna use the 5.4 kg, so the big one. So that's what we're gonna use for the wall decor, because as you can see, it's kind of big and heavy.
My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about you. My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about you. To the same, I guess it feels nice. Consistently consistent, something that we didn't.
last major piece I need to fix.
Can you leave the note so I can get it out of your head now? Can you leave the note so I can get it out of your head now? Can you leave the note so I can get it out of your head now? Can you leave the note so I can get it out of your head
Hi guys! Okay, so it's time for the big reveal and I'm excited. I really love the way this room turned out. Like, it is hella cute. It is really cute. And I'm so happy that I didn't get to even spend so much in just changing my room. The way my mindset is set right now, I just need a very clean and open space. And so that's what I was going for this room. And I also told you guys earlier that this room was like fall inspired. So a lot of browns, a lot of beige, a lot of white, and you know, black and neutral colors. So yeah, let's get into this room tour. So this is the entryway to my room. The first thing you see on your right here is my paintings. These paintings, I had them previously, but they were in a different spot, so I just put them over here because here was a bit like bare and just was nothing here. So I'm like, okay, let me just put this here. And I really love the fact that I did. It just giving this side of the room a bit of character, right? Then just right beside it is my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. Not so much of a large wardrobe, but it has like all my essential clothes in here, but it doesn't take all my clothes. Beside my wardrobe, you see a wall art. They were here before. I didn't move them. I didn't do anything. Then beside the wall art, you see my side table, and I love this side table. I got this side table from Wayfair, and it took me like 3 hours to assemble. That's just the downside to it. I didn't think it was going to take so much time to assemble, but it took me a lot of time to assemble. I love the way it looks and how it matches with my room and the bed and everything. It just puts everything together. And I love this side table because of the space here. I can always put anything I want to put in here. I can put my laptop, I can put my phone, I can put my Bible, I can put my journal, I can put everything I want to put in here. Instead of putting it on top of the table, I can just put it in here and just close it. On top of the table, you see my lamp. I love this lamp. I love it so much. I love how aesthetic it looks and how simple it looks as well. It's very, very minimal, but it adds a lot of character to this space. Then beside there, I have this very nice piece here. I got this pampas grass from Amazon, and I got the flower vase from Amazon as well. Okay, now let's talk about this wall art. There's a story behind this wall decor. I have a very sentimental connection to it. It's just a lot. There's just a lot of story behind it, and I really love it. So now let's head to the bed. The only thing I changed on my bed was the throw pillow covers, and I also changed the throw. I wanted something brown, nude, khaki, beige, so that's why I went for this color. And the khaki color on the throw always also ties to the throw pillow, right? So I just got both of them together, and I love it. But I didn't change anything else with the bed. Everything still remains the same. On this other side of my bed, I have a concrete flower stand or plant stand, and this stuff is heavy. I didn't want anything to be in this space, so I'm like, okay, let's just put something very nude and something very natural. And I have a book here just for, you know, just to add a bit of zhuzh to the space. And this candle, I got this candle from HomeSense. I already showed you guys earlier. I got 2 candles, but I wasn't sure which one to go for. But I decided to go for this one because it just looked better in the space. And I have my flower vase here. This flower vase, I got it from Dollarama. I don't know if you guys can remember, there's a vlog, the vlog where I cut the wedding bouquet, and I went to Dollarama to get a flower vase so that I can put the bouquet in it. That that's the flower vase I used here, and I just put the pampas grass I got in here because they were a lot, right? So I could always divide them into separate parts. So I put one on the right side and I put one on the left side. So yeah, this is what this space is looking like, and this chair has always been here. Nothing changed here, the same shebang. This is my curtain. I got this curtain from Walmart. I'm not so sure about this curtain yet. I don't know if I want to keep it because I had a black curtain here before, and the black curtain really went with my dresser and this area of my room. But I'm like, let me just change it and see. But I really love the way it looks right now. So let's see how this goes. I decided not to change anything in this space because I love the way this space looks. The only thing I added was my jewelry stand. I decided to start accessorizing a bit more because I never really used to wear jewelries as much. So it's easier for me to reach in here, and it just makes everything more organized and arranged so that jewelry doesn't tangle with each other and stuff like that. And I have to make a conscious effort, right, if I want to be accessorizing more. So seeing it will just make it easier for me to always pick up something and just put it on. And I also added a perfume box as well, just so that it's easy for me to reach my perfumes and they are more organized this way. And where I was keeping my perfume was in one of my dressers here, and it was just not really nice, you know, it was just scattered in there and all. So I decided to get this one and arrange them nicely in here. This wall decor still remained the same, dresser remained the same, and I just added this extra wall decor here. I didn't really need it, but I just wanted to add something really nice here. The next thing is my rug. I had a black and white rug on the floor, but I decided to change it. This rug really tied up the space, and it just helps to brighten up the room a bit more. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I want you guys to let me know what you think about this room. Personally, I love it, but I'm always open to hearing your opinions and your suggestions. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to your girl's channel, and also turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios. Bye guys.
Hearts collide, paramedics hit the scene. Just another casualty. I know you draws in for someone that gets you wetter, someone to do you better.